Hi guys, welcome to our channel Coffee Curves. In today's video, I will be sharing how to create an easy and quick canopy along with some styling ideas on how to create a calm and relaxing setup. So let's get started. For the DIY canopy, I'm using 4 net curtains. These are from Ikea and I'm tying these with a hair tie. Now pass a string or yarn through the hair tie. Tie a knot and hang this to a nail or a command hook or to an existing curtain rod. For the seating, I'm using a single or a twin size mattress. Adjust and tuck the curtains below the seating. Add in some fairy lights. Here I've used curtain string lights. Add in some printed and colorful cushions. Since our rest of the seating and the canopy is plain white, this pop-in color will look really nice. Next, I'm adding these DIY hexagon popsicle stick shelves along with some planters. You must have seen my video on how to make these DIY hexagon shelves. If you haven't, please check it out. I will leave a link in the description box below. Add in some green plants for a calm and relaxing environment. Place a jute mat along with a tray with some candles and plants. And with that, our canopy is ready. So guys, that's it for today's video. Wasn't this such an easy, quick and beautiful canopy setup? You can create this in no time with things easily available at home. If you liked this video and found it useful, please make sure to hit that like button and leave me a comment. Do subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for latest updates. Inspired from this video, if you make your own DIY canopy, please share your pictures with me. I would love to see what you create. See you all soon with more such awesome videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.